Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find muted stories on Facebook. So first step you need to do is to open Facebook application and you simply need to select any person's story and click on mute. So click on mute, and how you can find you, so you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you simply need to scroll down, and basically you can do in settings, but I am going to share with you a shortcut. So you simply need to click on this gear icon. Okay, then you simply need to scroll down, and here you can see stories. Click on that, and here you can see stories you muted. Click on that option again, and here you can see all muted stories. So you simply need to click here to unmute like this. So this is the process that you need to follow to unmute stories. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.